Good day, I'm Stephen McHugh, and this is your JIS News for Thursday, July 6, 2023. Single applicants can now access a bigger loan from the National Housing Trust, NHT, as the entity seeks to deliver more benefits to contributors and improve their ability to afford homes. Up to $8.5 million is now available for qualified single applicants subject to affordability. This amount can only be used towards purchasing a property selling for $12 million or less.
We do realize that prices are heading in a particular direction, and where the NHT can make adjustments to meet the affordability needs of our contributors, we will make those adjustments.
This is among several new loan ceilings that took effect on July 1. Open market and build on own land BOL loans are moving from $6.5 million to $7.5 million. House lot, home improvement, 10-plus and 15-plus loans have increased from $2.5 to $3.5 million. NHT's Assistant General Manager for Corporate Communications and Public Affairs, Dwayne Burbick, says the trust has also automated some of its services, including the process of obtaining an eligibility letter. Mr. Burbick was speaking at a recent JIS think tank. Government will be spending approximately $400 million to increase the fleet of the Jamaica Urban Transit Company, JUCC, for the start of the new school term in September. Transport Minister Darrell Vaz says the money is to carry out repairs to buses, which should help the JUCC increase its total fleet to 310 buses. This will include the 50 new buses expected to arrive by next Monday.
I can say that before I came here this morning, I got the name of the vessel and tracked it for myself, as I've been hearing about this vessel arriving for about 6 weeks. And I can indicate that the vessel is now entering the Panama Canal. Once it passes through there, it will take about 2 days to get to Jamaica. So I expect it here between Friday and Monday.
Minister Vaz provided the update during Wednesday's post-cabinet press briefing at Jamaica House. In addition, he says the government will continue its compressed natural gas CNG fuel diversification program and energy efficiency initiatives for JUTC buses. A framework agreement signed with New Fortress Energy allows for the use of more CNG buses.
So we are now looking at the possibility of increasing and maximizing that to 150 compressed natural gas buses with a view of converting Portmore into a CNG hub as a depot is there, while we test electric buses.
The Transport Minister adds that 3 electric charging stations will be installed and training will be provided for JUTC staff by the suppliers of the electric buses. In other transport news, motorists traveling on the Edward Seaga Highway will see no increase in existing toll rates until August 20. Portfolio Minister Darrell Vaz says the agreement to delay the increase resulted from discussions the ministry had with operating company Jamaica North-South Highway Company Limited and the National Road Operating and Constructing Company, NROC.
I'm still at the table and hoping that there may be the possibility of an extension to that August 20th date. However, that is not confirmed yet, but it is still on the table from the government side to try, but to thank the Jamaica North-South Highway for their kind gesture of agreeing to defer the increase for the Edward Seaga Highway.
Minister Vaz has also sought to clarify the toll rate adjustments for the Portmore and PJ Patterson highways, which took effect on July 1. He says there is no increase for Class 1 customers on the Portmore toll road. Several discounts and incentives are available to T-Tag customers and are now extended to all toll plazas.
In essence, what it is encouraging is obviously persons who use the highways frequently to use a tag rather than to pay every time they go through.
The National Works Agency, NWA, has commenced a comprehensive drain cleaning program across multiple communities in Clarendon. It forms part of the NWA's routine maintenance program and is expected to improve the ability of the various stormwater systems to assist in mitigating the impact of flooding. So far, 5 locations have already undergone drainage cleaning, namely Freetown to Four Paths at Cherry Tree Lane, Canaan Heights Drain along the Maypen to Hayes Roadway, Footpaths Drain at Bustamante Highway, Denby Crescent Drain, and Clarendon Garden Drain. 10 other locations are expected to benefit as part of the program, which represents a significant investment of over $27 million. The drain cleaning exercise is expected to be finalized by the end of July. The Ministry of Education and Youth is reporting a 43% decline in teacher resignation from January to June this year when compared to the same period last year. Portfolio Minister Favour Williams made that announcement as she responded to concerns about the number of educators leaving the classroom in pursuit of greener pastures.
So in January to June 2022, our internal figures show 506 resignations versus 287. These are the numbers.
The minister says strategies that were employed last year to assist schools in filling vacancies will continue this year. She points out that the ministry has access to 88 teachers through the Youth Scholarship Program, 10 from the Build Out of Science Teachers Program, 70 from Cuba, and over 1,000 who are expected to complete program studies from teachers' colleges.
We're also adding this year for the first time a job recruitment platform to which both schools and teachers looking for positions, they can meet each other in the virtual space, meaning you can upload your resume to the job recruitment platform. Jobs can be advertised there as well.
Minister Williams gave the update during yesterday's post-cabinet press briefing at Jamaica House. And finally, 6,500 young people will participate in this year's Youth Summer Employment Program, JIS, to begin July 17. Local Government Minister Desmond McKenzie says improvements will be made to the program this year. Participants will continue to work with technology to map the country's road network in addition to other tasks.
We will still continue the audits on streetlights. We will still continue to do the audit on illegal garages across the country. Last year, based on that audit that was conducted, it was estimated that in the corporate area alone, within a small geographical location in the corporate area, there was close to 1,500 illegal garages operating.
Participants are being urged to use the program to build character and strength as well as their sense of responsibility.
This is the foundation for you to move forward into a working world. You would be surprised to know that since this program started in 2016, more than 100 JIS workers have gained permanent employment in municipalities across the country.
And that's it for JIS News Today. I'm Stephen McHugh. Thanks for watching.